Beta Marin, with 10 years of experience in the marine sector, carries out the planning and project works of the electrical, electronic and mechanical systems required for boats and ship. Our expert staff provides services to national and international institutions and organizations, considering the structure of the boats and ship to be produced and the characteristics of the equipment to be used. After our boats and ship go into the production process, they are designed in accordance with international rules. The expert staff within Beta Marin starts the cabling process by laying cable paths in accordance with the project. The products used are marine type and are resistant to burning. After the sensitive wiring work is completed, the production of panels, which is the processor of boats and ship, begins. After the panel is manufactured, the boats and ship are ready to be provided with energy. Once the boats and ship are ready for providing energy, the final checks are completed. Then interior lights and inner junction box connections are activated. In addition to the electrical system that is ready for the boat, we also apply our environmentally and sea-friendly solar energy panels to the boats, which will reduce the carbon footprint. The solar energy system, which is used for uninterrupted energy throughout the day, also provides an advantage with its ergonomic structure. All electrical and electronic equipment, including cabin interior, exterior and underwater lighting, is tested, while the boat is in the finishing process. After all stages are completed, the boats are tested on the sea. After the test rides are completed within the program, the boat is delivered. Marine business requires experience. We help you make your dreams come true in those big oceans. We are at your service with our experience, knowledge, engineering, design, quality, craftsmanship, reliability and solution-oriented teams. For more information, please visit www.betamarin.com. Beta Marin family.